BrainCert's skill certification platform review, usage experience. Links to the platform mentioned in this video are available in the description below. BrainCert is a robust skill certification platform designed for professionals, educators, and organizations looking to create, manage, and deliver certification programs efficiently. It's an all-in-one solution offering customizable certification tests, secure exam proctoring, and detailed analytics to track performance. One of its standout features is the intuitive test creation tool, which supports multiple question types, time limits, and adaptive scoring. For organizations, the platform provides a branded experience, allowing seamless integration with your existing systems. BrainCert ensures test integrity with AI-powered proctoring, including webcam monitoring, screen tracking, and automated flagging of suspicious activities. This makes it ideal for high-stakes exams. The platform also includes a skill gap analysis feature, enabling employers to identify employee strengths and training needs. For educators, BrainCert offers integration with learning management systems, LMS, making it easy to combine certifications with broader learning goals. Its scalability caters to individuals looking to validate their skills, small business building certification programs, and large enterprises managing global teams. Customer feedback often highlights the user-friendly interface, reliable performance, and excellent customer support as key advantages. Pricing is competitive, with flexible plans that cater to both small-scale users and enterprise-level needs. However, some users note a learning curve for advanced features, so exploring the platform thoroughly before large-scale implementation is recommended. BrainCert is best for organizations and individuals prioritizing professionalism, security, and comprehensive analytics in their certification processes. If you've used BrainCert or are considering it, let us know your thoughts in the comments. For more information and to explore BrainCert, check the links in the description.